The fact that the GSX S750 is coming to India via the CKD route has already got us enthusiasts excited. We list down its top 5 facts to get you on the same page. Suzuki India created quite a buzz at the Auto Expo 2018 by riding in the new GSX S750. Moreover, the company seems to be planning on launching the motorcycle in the coming months. But, is it worth the wait? Well, that can only be confirmed once we take it out for a spin. In the meanwhile, find out if the top 5 facts about it catch your fancy. The Suzuki GSX S750 borrows many design cues from its elder sibling, the GSX S1000. This inspiration can be seen in its single headlamp cluster and sharp fuel tank extensions, which give it a muscular look. Along with this, the chiseled body lines and the sharp rear add more aggression to the naked motorcycle. Safe to say, it will attract a lot of attention on our roads. Some of its features include an LCD display unit that has a speedometer, tachometer, odometer, dual trip meters, gear position indicator, fuel range and more. It also comes with Suzuki's advanced traction control system that allows the rider to choose from 3 different modes, 1, 2, 4 and off.